Hey guys, so I just wanted to come in and give you a quick video on how to style your bows, so get the most of your bow. So I have a fresh package, and I'm going to take out my bow and my head wrap. So let me just put the head wrap on real quick. Get it ready for the bow. And what I'm doing, I'm just unraveling it. This is fresh out the pack, satin lining. Also, I have my hair in a low bun. So I'm placing it underneath the bun, just a little cupping my nape, crossing over, and I'm tying it kind of tight. I'm going to tie a knot in the back, 1, 2 times, and I'm pulling this close. So before you move on, again, you want to close up any gaps. You want to try to close them up. It's not really important, especially if you're going to wear a piece, but if you want to wear a turban, you got to make sure this is closed up. So just pull this up a little bit. So I'm gonna get my bow. Now, when you get your bow in the mail, you know, I don't fluff it out for you guys when I'm sending it out. However, I do check the wires and whatnot, make sure that, you know, they're sturdy and whatnot. But I'm just going to put this on as is right now, but we're going to do some fluffing. You have to do some fluffing if you want to when you first get your package. So again, the bow has 1 strip on the back, and so we're going to put these 2 tails, you know, intersecting each other. So 1 tail one way, and then the other tail, so going that way. So now this tail is going this way. Nails. And then just slide it on up. Tie a knot in the back. Oops. Tie it and double it up. Tie another knot. So now you got your 2 tails in the back. So I'm lifting, what I'm doing is I'm lifting up the head wrap itself, and then I'm tucking everything under. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my finger and lift the whole head wrap up and over these tails. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. All right, so now let's get to this bow. Hold on, let me adjust this brightness a little bit. Let me bring this down. All right, so no, this ain't gonna do. Well, at least not for me. So there's a couple of things that you can do. So, you know, just simply, again, spread them out. If you want this bow look, then, you know, more power to you. That's what you want. That's your look. Again, these have wires in them, so it's a little flat right now, but if you wanted to go in between those wires and spread them out, you know, just to fluff out the bow, you can do that. Go in between, and you see how that's just building volume in this bow. So you can go in between each one and just fluff it out and get it to your liking. You can see that makes it look a little bit different. Do the same to this side. So go into the bow in between those wires, fluff them out. Let me get into this one. Where is it? Right there. Twist and turn them if you want to. Okay, so that's a little bit different. then what I like to do is I usually, unless I'm going to a certain event, I'll wear it big and bold. But I'll start to kind of bend it back a little bit, especially if I don't want that so big look. And then I like to close up the middle part a little bit. And I just play with it. I'll keep playing with it until I get what I like. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking those wires and just playing with it. Might tuck behind and, you know. So now it's kind of starting to look like the rose, but on a bigger level. I might tuck this piece underneath. You know, whatever. Let's look something different. But again, if you want that bow look, just fluff it on out. Spread those tails. Well, not the tails. Spread those wires. And you can have that bow look. It's whatever you want to do, but you got to make sure that when you get this package that, you know, you play with it. Push it off to the side. You know, if you want to just slide this over a little bit. It's literally up to you. Kind of close that off a little bit. It's up to you. So that's how you will fluff out or adjust your bow. Just play with it until you get the desired shape, look, whatever you're looking for, and rock it. Tag me in a picture, tag Wonsii Wraps. We're looking for more people to, you know, post on the page and whatnot. So tag us, Wonsii Wraps, either one, and let me see what you come up with. Thanks. Bye.